Good morning, both Michelle and Jenny. Here's a brief tutorial on how to enter final grades. As you can see, I'm in the portal, and what you do is you go up here to click on Faculty Services. I don't know why that is. Takes a drawing. You click on Faculty Services, and when that comes up, you will go down to Final Grades Main Campus. Click on that. Then you change it to the current semester, which is fall 2021. You will then see a list of your courses in the dialog box. Since your course is not one of mine, but you can see the 2 student teaching courses that I have, the capstone and the undergraduate course. Your course will appear here. I will pull up one just to show you. Here's my HPR 60, and the final grade worksheet comes up, and you see you have all the students listed. And then there is a dialog box that you can enter the grade, whatever that may be there. And then when you do all that, you'll be asked to submit the grades and enter your password right there. The same network password that you use to get on to the portal. And that's basically all there is to it. It should be pretty straightforward.